I'm here, Miss Uyan. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yes, yes. Okay, okay. A minute. Okay, so here. Okay, let's have here. Can you see now? So conversations. Okay, but students. Student A, this is the last topic. Student A talking to student B. Okay, please try to use language. Okay, student A, I am student B and you are student A.
I am a student. You have an idea to improve the meeting. Talk to students. Be about use of time, problems, and behaviors. Successes. Student B, you are a manager. Talk to student A about improving meetings.
Hey, student A, you have idea to improve meetings. Talk to student B about use of time, problems, and behavior suggestions. You are gonna talk to me about time, about problems and behaviors, about any suggestion. You will gonna ask to me about suggestions. And student B, you're a manager. Talk to student A about improving a meeting. Okay, so okay, you think, and then after a while, you tell me about the focus on student A. You tell me if you're done.
Mm, Okay, now I student A, I am a employee and student B a manager, right?
Yes, yes.
I think, dear managers, dear manager, I have some idea. I have some idea to improve things below.
Mm-hmm.
I below the first um, regarding use of time. I I just wonder, I just wonder myself how long does the meeting last? And I think the meeting should uh, should be last should be last 1 hours 1 hours per meeting 1 hours per meeting.
Okay. So, wait. Miss Huyat, I am the manager, huh? You're talking about me, about the use of time, the problems and behavior suggestion. Example, you are the organizer of the meeting. Okay, go.
Um, how, I don't know. I don't know.
Okay. So, what you were gonna say to me about the use of time? Example, you are the organizer of the meeting. What are the use of time, problems and behavior, or any suggestions? You are talking to me. I am the manager. Example.
Just I need the use the time, and I take the meeting. The meeting should be last 1 hour. The first the meeting should be last 1 hour. I write.
Okay,
I
go.
think yes. I think the meeting should be last 1 hour. Uh, I think the meeting should be last 1 hour because this time is the good for everyone attention. This time is the serious for everyone attention. Attention. I write
Okay. I am listening, Miss Huyan.
attention. You you can see I my message.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, yeah. Wait a minute. I'm gonna check that.
Yes. this time, the first, I think the meeting should be last 1 hour. This time is still for everyone attention
Yeah,
and
yeah.
focus
I think, oh, wait, Miss Wina, just a minute. Okay, just a minute. You with me.
focusing on the content, on the main content.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I am reading this one. So you said, I think the meeting should be last 1 hour. And for this time, it is suit for everyone. It's attention, not attention. It's attention. Okay, yeah, attentions. And
Have
focus.
then have
Mm-hmm.
enough time
Yes,
to discuss,
to
uh,
discuss.
and uh, gì nhỉ? To handle
Okay, focus on the main content of the meeting.
this issue.
Mm-hmm. Then have enough
Then have
time
enough
to
time
discuss
to discuss
and
and
handle
handle this
this
issue.
issue. Yes.
Uh,
Okay.
some props and behavior. You need to regarding behavior and problem. You need to remind. I think we should. I think we should remind remind attending person. Reminding everyone who who attends the meeting. Who attend the meeting.
And to
Um,
remind everyone who attend the meeting that
that's uh, um, uh, who attend the meeting on time, attending the meeting
mhm,
on time. We should remind everyone who attending the meeting on time. Uh, the meeting on time. If if you have I don't you you can state you can state your opinion
okay. At least
opinion
you can state
first
your opinion. Okay, wait me, huh? I'm choosing this one.
um after after the other finish after the other finish finish
Okay.
finish their their presentation. You can state your opinion after the other finish their presentation. Don't don't interrupt in the drops. Okay.
Okay. So here. So
If
what? Wait me.
and if you have um, some suggestion, you should send adult that need to discuss.
Okay.
You you need to send it through the other in advance for preparing to get um, goods
Mm-hmm.
rerun.
So in other advice preparing.
Okay.
Yes. Wait. I will read. Okay. So what you mean here? So, oh, okay, to get the good results. Okay. So first is Okay, I will revise. I will read your questions because you are student A and you are trying to, example, you're an organizer in the meeting, and of course you are trying to have, I mean, you are trying to improve meetings. So you're gonna talk to the manager. Example, I am the manager and you are going to talk to me. So what you will gonna be the thing that you will gonna consider first is of course the use of time, and of course you will gonna tell me the problems and behavior suggestions. So you have here your answers. Thank you, Miss Lian. For that, it's quite good. Okay. So we have, I think the meeting should be last 1 hour. It should be at least 1 hour or it lasts 1 hour. So this will suit everyone's attentions. Okay. And it will focus the main content of the meeting and we have enough time to discuss and handle issues, of course. Thank you. And then another thing is after the other finish the presentations, let everyone or let the presenter finished before you interrupt. And of course, as what we talked a while ago, don't try to use jargons. Instead, you have to use common words. That's very important. And then if you
Yeah.
have some suggestions, you need to discuss right after the meeting. Okay, very good, Miss Win. Great job. Okay, so we have here to get good results. Uh, you need to send it to the other in advance. Okay, you need to send it to the other. You need to send it to the other in advance so they can prepare. Okay, not advance for preparations. Or you can say you need to send it to the other in advance for preparations. Or so they can prepare. Okay?
Preparation, huh?
Okay, preparations, not preparing, preparations. Yeah, preparation.
Please write to me.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, wait me a minute. Okay. So this one, it's preparations. Okay, it is preparation. That one. Okay, please check. So instead of saying preparing, so you're gonna use preparation. So other people can have their preparations before the meeting or before they will gonna ask questions. Can you check it, please, Miss Wian? Okay. So now
Preparation. I know.
yeah, preparations,
Preparation.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so now I am the manager and I am talking to you as the meeting presenters or organizer. So I am the manager, so I have to talk to you. So Miss Oyen, how was the time right now? Is it possible that we
Yes.
can start the meeting right on time? Can we start the meeting right
Yes.
on time?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So how about the problems? Okay, so do we have problems before we're gonna start the meeting? Remember, this is the board meeting, so we're gonna meet a lot of our bosses from other
Yes. If
places.
you
So do you have a
are a
problem?
manager, I think I will talk to student. Some problems. You you just talk to you.
Okay, yes, I check it. Okay, thank you for that. So, do you have any other suggestions aside from what you have wrote in the note? Do you have any other suggestions
Mm.
or
I think
nothing?
you need to prepare the take note for everyone in advance.
Mm-hmm.
That's instead. So instead, they prepare take note by themselves because I need to summarize and
Summarize. It's summarized.
need to summarize their
Yes.
opinion after finish meeting.
Okay, after the meeting will be finished or after the meeting
The meeting.
finished.
Yes, after the
Yes.
meeting.
Okay, yes, correct. Oh, you need to summarize. Okay, very good. Okay. So that's good, Miss Hoyan. So that's great. You're doing your part and it's quite tricky for you. Okay. Of course, we learned today about simple meeting etiquette. Don't interrupt. Have a good attitude if you will be in a meeting. Don't be rude, of course. And then, uh, aside from that, don't use jargons too much. Okay, it will ruin or it will lead to misunderstandings if you use a lot of words which are not common. So don't try to use that one. Okay, and then please be on time, of course. Take note. What else?
You know what's else? And
Hmm?
prepare
Di-
some
hmm?
behind water. You need behind coffee. You need to prepare some water. Put it on the table. Put it on the
Okay.
table. Yes.
Okay. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. So you need to be ready. In general, in short, you need to be ready if you are the organizer of the meeting. That's so tricky, especially if you're meeting if, or if you're preparing a meeting for the bosses, the higher one, the higher ranked. So it's quite tricky. So you need to be diligent and you need to be prepared in doing that one. Okay? So Miss Huyen, thank you so much for today. Okay, so do you have time this week?
Okay.
Tomorrow. Are you
No,
off
no, no, no,
tomorrow?
no, no.
You're
I
busy
have
the
a
weekend?
because my kid is my kids are preparing for their exam. The first
Okay.
exam in this
Yeah.
year, so I have a much
Oh,
time
yeah, yeah.
to learn.
Yes, I understand. So you have,
And
so probably we
in
can
a
meet
see
on
and
Thursday again. Thursday
yes,
again.
and see you next week.
Okay, yeah, I'll see you next week. Okay, thank you so much for today, Miss Huyen.
Okay, thank
I
you,
hope to
Jess,
learn
and thank you
something.
so much for today. And I will see you. I will see you next week, and
Ye-
I will inform you in advance when we
Yes.
have the class.
Okay, please tell me. Okay, thank you, Miss Huyen. God bless.
Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Okay.
My boss is calling.